Welcome to the annual Innovation Fair here in Berlin.
Thanks a lot for being here on the Innovation Fair of 2023.
Why is innovation urgently needed for Elia Group as well as for the energy transition? Innovation is a great opportunity to close the gap between our ambitions and the reality.
Yeah, 27 projects from the business, from innovation team together, which is really showing that innovation is not just a team, it's really a mindset in the company. What's also striking is that we have not only Elia people, we have academics, we have students, 70 students today, we have also a partner, which really shows also that innovation is open at Elia.
Well, we with the data platform at Elia Group, we want to make data fair. That means findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. Innovation is super important because energy transition is now moving closer and closer to the people, and we need to have innovative products that are customer friendly.
Yeah, so here we're talking about innovation to protect birds.
An exoskeleton can assist people when they're doing lifting work or overhead kind of work. People will be much more efficient.
It's all quite interesting topics, and some more than others related to my experience and my domain of research, but I do think it's a very good idea to organize such activities.